Welcome back, everyone. I'm Ashley Williams, Archivist at Hagley Museum and Library. I hope you enjoyed exploring some of the recipes from BBDO's Test Kitchen. It's been fun for me and presented a few culinary challenges. This series explored the many ways BBDO used recipes, from advertisements to advisory groups, executive lunches to employee prizes. Using recipes meant BBDO needed a way to create, test, and collect them in-house. The agency also needed a place to cook these recipes, then photograph and film the results. Their test kitchen solved the problem, providing a space to house this important work. And, from everything I've read in the collection, it was BBDO's most popular department. I can only imagine the delicious smells that wafted from the kitchen. BBDO put a lot of work into creating and testing recipes, coming up with meticulous notes, measurements, and directions. This may all sound clinical and boring, but it helped guarantee success in homes across the country and sales for clients. Despite the exacting work, the BBDO Test Kitchen did not feel like a laboratory. That wasn't the point. According to a 1932 article in the magazine Ice Cream World, the kitchen exuded a home-like feel, a place where good cooks can cook. BBDO's recipes weren't intended to be fine dining. They were aimed at the average American household and avoided the need for special equipment or hard-to-find ingredients. Hence, the test kitchen being set up to feel like home. For me, the recipes are interesting, particularly ones that use products I have in my own pantry, but also ones that use products I've never heard of. I find the backstories of these recipes intriguing too, and the research to find out about them. Like the famous BBDO brownies, seeing them mentioned so frequently throughout the BBDO material and finally piecing together what is likely the recipe. Or learning a beer manufacturer made a cheese-like product during Prohibition to keep in business. These are some of the things I find fascinating and hope you have as well. I'm also left with questions that couldn't be answered by the BBDO collection. Why didn't Campbell's Soup promote its products for cooking or use in recipes until working with BBDO? Why did Kraft give Pabst a royalty-free license to continue making Pabst Dead when a court ruled in their favor? There is so much more to the BBDO materials than I've been able to share with you. In addition to the recipes and test kitchen, there is an abundance of other items in the collection. Advertisements dating from the 1890s to the 2000s, speeches made by employees, marketing and research reports, the history of BBDO from their perspective, publications, and materials related to offices around the world. Plus, there are records from other departments, such as the fashion department, pharmaceutical department, or research department. The BBDO records will give researchers a glimpse into one of the nation's most prestigious advertising firms, one that's been responsible for many memorable ad campaigns. When you look through this collection, you'll read, hear, and see BBDO's story in its own words. The BBDO records will be open for research in mid-2022. To schedule a visit to see this collection or to learn more about our library, please visit our website at hagley.org. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you sometime at Hagley.